Metong yamoy influenza karang marakal respiratory virus sa malyari magresulta king trangkaso o common cold. Anya naman mika information drive ya in Department of Health Region 3 nya Miyerkules October 11 bang mamya karagdagang impormasyon dikil kanini. Agpang kang Dr. Joan De Jesus Cornejo, Medical Specialist Training Research Institute for Tropical Medicine, makayaway ang sakit king respiratory system ing influenza akaraniwang makayapekto king arong, akmulan at baga.
Ito ay dahil sa isang virus na tinatawag nating influenza virus at ito ay maaring magpresenta ng mild na sakit or malubhang sakit.
Manibat 2017 ang ganaking kasulungsungan, miras no ken 290,000 hanggang 650,000 deng mayango biye paulinan ng influenza base ken datos na ng World Health Organization o WHO. Kaya be naman kanu karang sintomas na niniren lagnat, sore throat, runny nose, pamanguko at aliwa pa.
So there could be fever, pwedeng merong lagnat, pwedeng wala. Usually there's sore throat o masakit yung lalamunan. Sipon, either runny nose or tumutulo yung sipon or stuffy, congested or barado yung ilong. There could be cough, ubo, muscle or body aches or masakit yung katawan, headaches, fatigue or tiredness or panghihina ng katawan.
Malyari kanung akwaing influenza virus king person-to-person contact o patse atalan ming metong gamit ating droplet ning virus.
Through droplet transmission, either pag umubo po yung may sakit, nabahingan kayo, or through normal conversation o pakikipag-usap, especially if within 3 feet yung taong may sakit, you are at the risk of being infected with influenza. So pwede rin kayong mahawa from fomites or kunyari, yung isang bagay ay merong droplets na merong influenza virus, tapos hinawak nyo po sa face, sa ilong, sa bibig, or sa mata, pwede po kayong magka-contract ng influenza virus infection.
Kaya ka makayaway ka noy niking mumunang 3 to 4 days na ning sintomas. Kabang di nga nakaating influenza, malyari lang makayawa maski parumingguna. At risk larin kanuking influenza ring edad 65 patas, mabuktot, dem mga lating anak, ating asma, sakit ken puso, stroke, diabetes at aliwa pang disability uling may nayang karelang immune system. Agpang pakan De Jesus Cornejo, dapat kanong i-exercise ang cough etiquette, hand hygiene at aliwa pang paralan bang ayawasan iti.
Una, uminom ng maraming fluids and then kumain ng masustansyang pagkain. Of course, you limit your communication with other people para hindi po tayo makahawa. Also, observe cough etiquette. Mainly, ang influenza infection is symptomatic treatment and supportive treatment. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kung ano yung symptoms nyo, yun yung iinuman nyo ng gamot. Some rest, kailangan magpahinga. And there's an option na mag-take ng antiviral na gamot for those that are clinically or laboratory confirmed influenza virus. So yung antiviral na gamot na ito should be taken within 48 hours of symptoms.
Recommended mo naman kanong annual influenza shot, pamanyulod face mask, observation king physical distancing, at pamaniwas king crowded at not well-ventilated places.
And I would like everyone to spread fun and not the flu. Also, even healthy kids at any age can get seriously sick from the flu and they can spread it to the family, friends, and others. So it is recommended that even children 6 months of age and older should get their flu vaccine every year.
Kaya Liana Kanilaw, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.